What if I told you 2026 just got better? Because this modular home masterpiece is redefining what prefab living actually looks like. Today, we're touring a brand new eye-catching prefab house that's turning heads. And trust me, you're gonna wanna see every corner of this one. From jaw-dropping design to smart living spaces, this is Prefab Reimagined. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. If you love next-level homes, innovative design, and the future of housing, hit that like button and subscribe because we're covering the most exciting modern builds on the planet. And today, we're inside one of the most talked about modular homes of 2026. Right when you drive up, the first thing you notice is the clean architectural lines and bold finishes. This isn't your typical box-on-a-lot prefab. We're talking stunning facade details, large energy-efficient windows, and a facade palette that gives this house real character. It feels custom, but with the streamlined benefits of factory-built precision. The exterior wraps around a cozy outdoor patio, perfect for morning coffee or evening chill time. And while many modular homes are known for speed and cost efficiency, this design proves you can have style and substance. Stepping inside, it's like entering a boutique loft. The open living space floods with natural light, thanks to floor-to-ceiling panels that blur the line between inside and out. Right away, you notice the thoughtful layout. No wasted space, just smart flow. High ceilings make the space feel even bigger, and the finishes give a sense of quality you're not used to seeing in prefab homes. This is modular living elevated. Every angle looks intentional. From the modern staircase to the carefully selected lighting fixtures, you can tell the designer wasn't messing around. The living room flows seamlessly into the kitchen, and the moment you see it, you'll get why people are calling this the prefab masterpiece of 2026. Quartz countertops, hidden storage, and a waterfall island make this space feel like something out of a luxury home tour, and yet it's part of a modular package that can be delivered fast. Appliances are sleek and built in, and there's generous space for gatherings, whether it's a quiet night with family or hosting friends. Seriously, this kitchen works. Let's talk about the bedrooms. The primary suite is bright, comfortable, and surprisingly spacious for a modular design. Large windows, tons of closet space, and a bathroom that could grace any design magazine. It's proving prefab doesn't have to mean small or cramped. And for anyone looking for flexibility, this home includes multiple flex spaces that can be used as offices, studios, or even a guest bedroom. In a world where remote work is the norm, that's a huge advantage. The bathrooms continue the feel of clean, modern design. Floating vanities, stylish tiles, and high-end fixtures make everyday routines feel elevated. And every detail, from the hardware to the lighting, comes together to feel premium, not prefabricated. One of the most exciting parts? This home isn't just beautiful, it's smart. Energy-efficient design elements, sustainable materials, and high-performance insulation mean lower energy costs and a smaller environmental footprint. Modular homes are already known for construction speed and cost savings, but this one brings real tech and comfort to the table. So there you have it, a 2026 modular masterpiece that proves prefab homes are no longer just boxes. They're design-forward, comfortable, and here to stay. If you're as blown away as I am, drop a comment below on your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more tours like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.